I'm going to explain you about how to add name servers to your domain. Usually, hosting will provide name servers after your domain got registered. I have two name servers with me. Site5 provides two name servers such as dnssite5.com and dns2site5.com. Similarly, HostGator provides two name servers, and even some hosting services provide 4 to 6 name servers. We have to enter those name servers in the domain so that the hosting will get paired up with your domain. First, we will log into our account. You need to log into the account in which you registered your domain. I'll show you with an example here. I'm logging into my account. So this is the GoDaddy website page. You can see an option called Manage here. Click on Manage. You need to click the domain name in which you want to add the name servers. After that, you can see a drop down in name servers and click on it. You can see name server settings. Select name server setting. So this is how it looks. Initially, the setup type will be in the standard format. You have to click on custom. Since I have already added the name servers for this domain to show you, the name servers are displayed here. After selecting custom, you need to click on edit name servers. So enter your name server details here. You will get an option called OK. Click on OK. And then in this page, you will get an option called Save. So click on Save right here. So that is all. You have now added your name server to your domain. It will take a maximum of 24 to 48 hours for your hosting to get paired up with your domain. Once your hosting is paired up with your domain, your site will be open. So I request you to wait a maximum time of 48 hours for your hosting to get paired up with your domain. You can also see that there are many options available here. Since I am concentrating on internet marketing such as AdSense, CPA, Clickbank, I am not providing other details. I have just explained you about how to add name servers in this lecture. Hope you are very clear about how you need to add your name servers after registering your domain. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through discussion board. I'll reply you within 24 to 48 hours.